Here's a profit and loss performance graph. We see our autonomous trader is making steady progress upwards. Options Autopilot is environment aware and reacts to its environment, so it qualifies as an AI. It is also self-governing, allowing it to consistently make profitable trades and increase portfolio value. Each point on the graph is the result of decisions made by the system. We see the performance is consistently positive with a few slight dips. On the right side, we see a few large jumps, which we can attribute to policy changes that permitted the system to open more trades. Given the prior performance, you can see here that the tail is flattening, and we believe that this is we can attribute this to changes that are external to the system, and it's probably the Iran effect on the market, which the AI cannot manage as it did previously. A self-governing system must continually operate under both internal and external constraints. This P&L performance graph is also a trajectory. What we're seeing here is not just performance, it's behavior emerging from decisions made under constraints. The same principles can be applied at the enterprise level. The second graph, which we call Enterprise Tension Map, shows a very different system based on ExxonMobil's 10K reports from the years 2019 through 2024. Here, instead of trades, we are looking at capital allocation decisions. Each point represents a year position based on how the company balanced key tensions, paying dividends versus buybacks, or commitment versus flexibility, reinvestment versus distribution. The trajectory shows when we connect these points over time, we see a trajectory. This trajectory shows how the enterprise moves through its constraint space, how it adapts, shifts policy, and responds to its environments. We see periods where the company operates within a stable region, those two there, and we see a moment where it shifts direction dramatically, indicating a change in policy or external conditions. This is not a trading system as we see in the first diagram, but the pattern is the same. These are very different systems. One is an autonomous trading engine, the other a global enterprise, but they exhibit the same pattern, observable behavior emerging from decisions made under constraints. Enterprise geometry gives us a way to observe that behavior, not just as performance, but as structured movement over time. And once that behavior is visible, it becomes something we can measure, understand, and ultimately govern.